Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for FET price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis starting on the 1 hour chart here for FET. I will not repeat of course the daily, I repeated in every video almost, so no need to repeat it today. I just want to walk with the bullish scenario since we are already in a bullish scenario. We are looking at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here on the 1 hour chart, finishing a wave 1 of course and WXY for your wave 2. After that, you have, of course, another impulse here for another wave 1, and then, of course, an ABC for a wave 2. Now, you are looking, of course, at this wave 3 in the yellow scenario, and I'm going to change it to orange because that is already a yellow one. So, in this orange scenario, we have already 1, 2, 3, 4, sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, and we would like to finish right now the wave 3. Now, yesterday, if you remember, I left this mark. Are we going to have an extended wave 5? And that because we did not reach a very nice fib for your wave 3. It's a very shy wave 3, by the way. So we did not reach the 1.618. And now, of course, we have kind of an ending diagonal. In this ending diagonal, we would like to see, of course, after a wave 4 here, probably, we would like to see, of course, an extended wave 5. Why? Because this wave 1 is kind of okay, but your wave 3 is short. I mean, it's short, it did not reach very nice fib, right? But still longer than your wave 1, which is good. So getting a longer wave 3 than your wave 5 than your wave 3 would be awesome, right? Would be a very nice extended wave 5. And this reminds me with Link right now, what's going to happen. Link from 2 days ago, it has exploded towards the upside. We were in a very similar scenario in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and your wave 5 was an ending diagonal. What Link did is once he finished the ending diagonal, he went a little bit down, tricking us that he has started, of course, a correction because he has finished an ending diagonal for your wave 5 and then finished your wave 3, but Link boomed like crazy towards the upside, transforming an ending diagonal to triple 1-2s and starting a big wave 3 towards the upside with an extended wave 5. Would that happen with FET again? Nobody knows. I know they are different coins and the history, yeah, it's not always that it repeats even, I mean, with different coins, but the scenario that happens here reminds me exactly with the Link. It was the same position and the same ending diagonal that we have here. So yeah, how to get an idea that we are in an impulse? First, we need to check a little bit in the 15-minute chart. Each 1-2 or each, in case we have a 1-2, 1-2 here, if you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that's perfect, and then A, and then B, and then C. That's totally fine. That's perfect. Finishing a wave 2, so as 1, 2, that's awesome. Now, for this part, for this 1, 2, what do we have? We have 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4 interfere. So this is not a wave 3. In case it is a wave 3, 1, 2, 3, 4 interfered with your zone 1 as well, invalidation. Well, also remind me with Link because Link did exactly the same. He gave a perfect impulse in the first 1-2. The second 1-2 was 100% like this one. And it has appeared at the end it was an expanding diagonal, which is the most rare scenario that you might see, which it gives you 1% chance that this could happen or could work as an expanding diagonal. And in that case, of course, yeah, then we can consider this as a 1-2 in an expanding diagonal, and then, of course, a booming towards the upside. So, yeah, still not very clear. To get much more clearer view, you would like to see higher prices, of course, without reaching the low. This is the first thing, without reaching this low. If you get higher prices from here, and you start to move higher and higher. Once you reach the 1-to-1 fib level taken from the wave 3 here of your diagonal, and of course based on your wave 4, it will give you of course this 1-to-1 fib level. And that means once you reach this this leg will become longer than your wave 3. And by all means, invalidation of your diagonal, and doesn't mean that we are going bearish if it is invalid. It is totally the opposite. You are going higher. Once you reach this, it means this is a wave 3 and you are looking for 1.618, which is at $2.32 minimum. So yeah, this is for FET, the bullish scenario that we are still. Now the bearish scenario, you have really finished here a wave 5 in the white count. What is our wave 5? Okay, if we don't get it extended, so it has finished already here. We finished already the orange 3 and we're looking for a wave 4. Now what is not nice in this, of course, that your wave 4 might interfere with your wave 1. And that is not nice to see, because if you want to take now the fib time, or fib level, sorry, for your wave 4, you can see, of course, yeah, it's preferably to hit just the 0.23 without reaching the zone 1, but somehow I doubt it. I have the feeling, okay, it's gonna dive a little bit deeper. Now 38 is still perfect if we don't touch it, and then move up again for a wave 5 in the orange scenario. But look what happens. Yeah, it doesn't look very nice impulsive, because yeah, your wave 3 in yellow is gonna even finish very short. And in that case, 1, 2, 3, and then what space has been left for your wave 4 to not reach, of course, your wave 1. So it's not, yeah, by all means, it would be nicer if we see an extended wave 5 to move impulsively and give, of course, a chance for higher prices and for a nice impulse towards the upside. So the bearish scenario so far is, of course, that we have finished a wave 3 in orange. We are looking for ABC at least 0.23, probably 0.38 at those prices. And then, of course, continuation towards the upside, but of course to be reanalyzed in case we interfere with the wave 1. So yeah, interfering with this wave 1 means, of course, invalidation of a bullish impulse, but it doesn't mean that you cannot be bullish again, because it can still be a double 1-2 again. Yeah, so you have triple 1-2s maybe. Nobody knows. So yeah, these are the things. Thank you for your these are the things for FET. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye bye.